Hello, guys. So today, uh, I am going to be spinning this wheel, and whatever it lands on, I have to draw in Photoshop. So yeah, yeah. Here we go. And okay, so let's get right into it. We have a number of options. Let's see what we have to draw today. I have to draw me, so let's just remove that from the options. No, there. Okay, so let's uh, let's draw me. So yeah, I'm using my second screen for inspiration because my wallpaper is this. So I'm just looking on my second screen for that. I'm gonna draw my Minecraft avatar. So let's choose yellow. Oh God, what am I doing? Oh no. Whatever. Okay. Okay, we're on this. Boom. There's one arm. There's the body. Okay. There's the other arm. And here's the waist. Here's the shirt. Oh, there's this little part. Okay. Uh, let's just fill this in. And this is going to take a while, so I will see you when it's all filled. Okay, so I uh, differentiated the sleeve and the thing. So let's go here. And then boom, there. How many are there? 4. Boom, and boom. And now for this side. Boom, 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 and boom. There we go. Okay. I think we can. How are we going to. Oh, okay, that's actually perfect. Boom. There. Okay. Now, while we're at it, once I have the skin color, which I'm probably going to lose, let's just draw the head. Okay, let's fill this in. I'm not going to cut this one out because this is not going to take too long. And boom. Okay, so now I'm going to, where's black? There's black. Now, boom. Okay, like that's good. Let's get on with the face. Boom, boom, boom. That's the face. And also there's this little face on there. Boom. And now we also have black, so let's go with the pants. Okay, this is actually also going to take a while, so I'll be right. Okay, so now it's all filled in. Once again, I differentiated the two parts. Now we have to go to white. Oh, I just realized that you cannot see it. So we're going to have to go with like this. There. It's kind of like a gray, but whatever. It'll do. the background is white, so that won't work. Boom. Okay. Alright, there's me. I drew my Minecraft character. So let's just save this. Me. Boom. Okay. And now spin the next. Okay, let's spin this wheel. See what we have to draw this time. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm not doing this one. Why did I even put that one on? Ooh, which one is it? Ah, skyscraper. Okay, let's draw a skyscraper. So I think we should go with like a grayish. No, wait, let's go for like a cartoony looking skyscraper. So it's like blue. Boom. This time. Okay. Let's just do this. Okay. I think we're done. Let's just do that. There. Done. Okay. Let's just get rid of this. I will be right back. Okay, let's do one more. Okay. Oh. Ah, no! Seriously? Oh my gosh. Oh God, seriously? Oh my goodness. Okay, well, let me get brown. Brown's like over here. Okay, let's just. Okay. Bruh. Okay, let's just try this. Okay, brown. There we go. Brown. Oh my god. Well, at least this is going to be pretty easy. There. And honestly, I don't want to fill it in, so I'm just going to boom, boom. Oh wait, I need to add some features. Oops. Oh, actually, that might work. Actually, no, never mind. That won't work. That actually won't work. There we go. Alright. And okay guys, I'm going to end this video here. If you like this type of thing where I draw random stuff, then please consider liking the video and subscribing. It shows me that you guys like this stuff and you want more. So I would really appreciate if you liked and subscribe. So yeah, okay, this outro is getting weird, but bye. I'll see you in the next